X-Men Origins Wolverine had the biggest leak of any X-Men movie ever. The leak of '09 had both the FBI and MPAA involved. A DVD quality work print was leaked online just over a month before the film was set to premiere, and though the studio tried to contain it, they estimate it was downloaded more than 4 million times. The leak destroyed the reputation for the movie as many of the CGI elements were missing, making the whole thing look worse. It tanked most of the hype as well, since people already knew the plot beforehand. The actual source of the leak was never technically found. They tracked down the man that first uploaded it to the internet, but he had claimed he bought it off someone else, and they still don't know how it got out. Not only was the movie prematurely leaked, but even before production started, there were problems. Back in 2007 and 2008, when the movie was in its early stages, a writer's strike happened that lasted 99 days. The main critiques when it comes to the story are that it's confusing and unmotivated, but what do you think?